comes the follow-up, 621. You're going to be exploring Depth 2. The sector's made up of a sprawling rail network designed to transport resources. It'll be a complex route, with a lot of blind spots. Be ready for close quarters combat.
Raven, there's something you should know. I've obtained the comms log from the Balaam squad that went in before you. It looks like they have another mission here, and it's not part of their survey. Guard mechs won't be the only threat. Balaam's agenda is just as dangerous.
Just so you know, 621, my radar won't be able to reach the lower depths. You'll have to trust your eyes and ears.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Let's go, Raven. This is where the survey begins in earnest. Structural drawings, the route continues past this partition. Looks like the power's out. Let's find a way to bring it back online.
2 repair.
An ambush!
Been waiting for you, Raven! You're gonna die, traitor!
Sounds like you found Balaam's MTs. Eliminate them, 621.
Control panel identified. This should get the power back online. The elevator's back online too. Let's take it back up to the upper level. The partition should open now. See if you can get access. The heat exchanger section's up ahead. This is around where the comms log for Balaam's advanced squad cuts off.
Been waiting for you, freelancer.
That AC. It's head-driven. There's Dr. Boston.
Got my ticket back overwhelmed. This isn't over. Next time, I swear I'll...
Confirmed. Gunfight in Sudan. Being trapped down here, it's dangerous.
Defense program, phase 40. Intruder identified. Threat level 7.
What was that? Raven, watch out. That weapon must be guarding the steps. I'll see what data I can find.
Defense program, phase 2.5. Intruder proximity to critical sector confirmed.
Looks like we're not far from the terminus. Let's find the control room. We'll hack the systems and get the partitions open.
APN, 50%.
Let's look for a ventilation duct. We're underground. There must be one somewhere. Coral has an instinct to gather together, and it seems I am no exception. I feel a growing urge to move forward. Ventilation duct identified. Looks like it's connected to the control room. We're in the control room. Now let's find an access point. There. That's the control panel. I forced the partitions and the elevators back online. The defense system is helping us. Should be able to proceed.
Seems like smooth sailing, 621. As if you hardly need help from me, but you get so good at exploring.
I expect the defense weapon will be waiting for us. Be careful, Raven.
Intruder detected in closed sector. Defense program phase 3.0. Switching to termination mode. Terminating target.
That's the Enforcer, an AI-controlled prototype developed by the PCA. It's designed to prevent key watchpoint systems and eliminate heavy intruders. I want it to stay hidden.
AP at 50%.
Evasive maneuvers, Raven.
One repair kit remaining. AP at 50%.
Phase 3.5. Reaching output. Reconfiguring energy draw and maximum values for all actuators. Terminating intruder. Direct deposit explosion.
AP at 50%. AP at 30%.
Confirmed. Enemy unit is silent. Walter should have some data on the next sector. Let's take a break for now, Raven.